Plant-based nutrition 101. Unlocking the power of nutrient-rich choices. Hello there, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel, Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the world of Plant-based Nutrition 101. We are excited to guide you through the essential vitamins, minerals, and potential supplements that make a plant-based diet not only delicious but also incredibly nourishing. We often hear about the benefits of a plant-based diet, but let's delve deeper and understand how this dietary choice can provide us with all the essential nutrients our bodies need. Segment 1. The power of plants. Before we dive into specific nutrients, let's talk about the abundance of goodness that plant-based foods offer. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds are our nutritional allies. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that contribute to our overall well-being. Segment 2. Essential vitamins and minerals. Now, let's explore some key nutrients you might be curious about when following a plant-based diet. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health and blood cell production. As it's primarily found in animal products, it's important for plant-based individuals to consider fortified foods or supplements. Iron. Plant-based sources of iron include legumes, spinach, and fortified cereals. Pairing these with vitamin C-rich foods enhances iron absorption. Calcium. Leafy greens, fortified plant milks, and tofu are great calcium sources. Remember, our bodies need adequate vitamin D for calcium absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids include flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and algae-based supplements to ensure you're getting your omega-3s. Protein. Plant-based protein sources are abundant. Beans, lentils, quinoa, tempeh, and seitan are excellent choices. Segment 3. Balanced meal planning. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about creating well-rounded plant-based meals. Remember, diversity is key. Aim to include a variety of colors, textures, and nutrients in your meals. Combine grains, legumes, vegetables, and healthy fats for optimal nutrition. Segment 4. Addressing potential nutritional gaps. While plant-based diets offer an array of nutrients, it's wise to consider a few supplements to ensure you're meeting all your needs. Vitamin B12. Using a B12 supplement and fortified foods are recommended. Vitamin D. Depending on your sun exposure, you might consider a vitamin D supplement to support bone health and immunity. Omega-3s. Algae-based omega-3 supplements provide a plant-based source of these essential fatty acids. Iodine. Seaweed, iodized salt, or a supplement can help maintain thyroid health. Empowering your plant-based journey. And there you have it, plant-based nutrition demystified. By understanding the vital nutrients in plant-based foods and making informed choices, you're on a path to a thriving, healthful life. Remember, it's all about balance and variety. Experiment with new recipes, explore different foods, and listen to your body's needs. Connect with us for plant-based life coaching, meal planning, and plant-based products. If you found this video informative and empowering, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow plant-based enthusiasts, and subscribe for more Green Goodness content. Thank you for joining us on this nutritional adventure. Until next time, stay nourished, stay vibrant, and stay curious.